India have drawn first blood in the opening round of this 5-round bout between the two powerhouses of T20 cricket. Leading the new ball attack, Arshdeep Singh dealt heavy blows early on. Then, extending his fairy tale comeback into the Indian side, Varun Chakravarti imparted the sucker punch in the middle overs.
Another clean-up job. It's Varun Chakravarti's second wicket in the over. He's rattled the timber again. First broke, now Livingston.
With skipper Jos Buttler waging a lone battle, the visitors could only muster 132 runs at the Eden Gardens. World champions then had England on the mat with a masterclass of power play batting.
Use the pace. It's into the crowd. That's in the air. Clears third man. Another six.
Young Abhishek Sharma pummeled the England attack as India romped. Big swing up for Salt. First ball, 4.
Once for the ball to swing. This one just drifting his feet.
He said it's easier because Bumrah closed. And once again it's Phil Salt.
Almost outthought. Phil Salt knew that. Phil Salt's not quite got this. Look at the England in trouble again early on. England one down. Phil Salt.
Now opting to bat at the last 3 balls.
And that's brought the England captain to the crease and strengthened with 2 slips.
There's a little bluff there.
On the order, Washi can be equally
The Knight Riders against Chennai Super Kings. Jos Buttler, just the ability to improvise.
also shows you how quickly he picks up length. He was actually looking to go, pummels it away on the onside.
Straight away slip comes out to mid-wicket. They will take.
Looking to chip.
Match for Washington Sundar, that one of Phil Salt. So early. With Jos hitting arc, he went through with the shot.
Won't stop there. He just got that field ground, and if it's there, there's mixing. Buttler trying to outguess if he's wearing his pace.
He's thinking now, is it going to be a shorter one?
Gave himself a lot of time, found the gap.
Going to be short. Look where he's standing. But so this time.
Arm speed, and that's why he bowls a slow ball.
Wanted to play the uppercut or go over the
Ball. Get up, fielder then to the Chepauk and picks up. Gets nothing, it proves it.
Cannot quite believe what he's just done. Ben Duckett has missed out again. That is, I think, why he's so disappointed.
Town boy strikes.
Went off the pad, that would hurt him. 45. Oh, the edge wicket line, he bowls it well.
Can't see.
For a while it seemed he was running alongside.
Activity from it.
Is it, but he left the bat very.
Yes. The momentum. He's got some.
By Sanju Samson, 9 of the over, but
of his career.
How good is he against spin?
In the air, mid-on time whatsoever.
They've decided that ultra aggressive.
Emphasis on timing. Excellent. That's one of his strengths. He's a tall man. So he just clears that front leg. And in the direction. 5. Very good hit from Buttler. He comes up.
Trying to throw the Indian spinners off to Akshar Patel, and now first ball that bit.
More straighter and on the off. Both the wrist spinners. So you've got to cover that line and angle. Or if it's coming out of the
Length. And Jos Buttler against spin, you see him crouch a lot lower.
approach from Buttler as well. Once he got that feeling good, let me just keep. One had dropped back earlier. I think that becomes a more important position.
What to do is stay away from the hitting zone. That's locked.
Chakravarti into the attack. Now, Chakravarti is very confident. Feel that might have gone down, slipping down the leg.
He wanted that single.
Blue, original decision is not out. Stand by. Here we go. Original decision not out. Viru, please make the signal.
On first impression.
Took the call. It was the TV umpire that down. I mean, not the TV umpire. Just kissed the leg stump.
It's Varun Chakra. This is sneak through, and it's.
The light is clear. No smog here. And no on 413. 3 down. Smog there.
Kolkata.
Brilliantly bowled again, 20i. And again, not put. On. Talking.
61 for 3. Seeing wickets falling around. Bowled. That just a little bit.
You don't mind going a tad bit on the shorter side. The fashion. A couple of runs here.
The way both these wrist spinners. It's 66 for 3.
He's hit it well. Josh Butler. I think that is what they'll be aiming for.
Okay. But will be wide.
Just gone outside the off stump, but still safe enough for a boundary.
Every or the leg spin. An important aspect because most of the first thing they're looking to do is
Spinners bowling together, both of them. That turn away. 9 gone at 74 for 3. On 40 seconds, that's good. Get the game moved. They're already over that Washington Sundar bowled the 4th. Can England get 5? Imagine. Straight to the man on the pool.
One take into account the fact that Akshar Patel's, and that's why it didn't go off the. Otherwise, it could have. Butler's gone for 45.
But he's had a phenomenal, peculiar situation where the captain wants to.
don't think he's
Harshit Rana.
He's gone through with that shot.
and you jog your memory back.
Ready for the stumping. Cleared the field, but he hadn't. Oops. Which is exactly.
Had a little extra bounce, and you can see simple catch down that Livingston got.
Liam Livingston, because you know what he's Overton. Hasn't played a lot of T. Not the easiest gig.
Surface is so much better, especially. And especially as we've mentioned before.
Though. On it's 94 for 5.
Through the repertoire, you know. Debut from Jamie Smith.
Delivery. And he's a tall man. Very good batting this.
Well, what he's done well, the pressure, and then he's going deep in the crease.
He's batted really well, making the bowler think.
Not well enough. They said no, this was a languid swing of the further problems for England.
Turn the ball away from the right. Maybe just a little bit of turn, which is what I'm not going to make a mistake.
Every decision in the series, replacing Gus Atkins. To exactly that.
India, same could happen here. It's one of
And he gets out caught long on, but this time the very, very nicely Bryden kept
of the bounce that Akshar with a straight bat is a much better option.
playing for spin. in the length a little bit, but held his position. Example of it. Turn really, same as Calcutta. Performed very well. I think
The spinners
Just over 8 and over. They need.
Oi, पकड़ ले.
21%. Big connection.
And he's choosing the right area. It's the wrong one. He's got across nicely to cover that line.
Attack now from Bryden Cass.
And he's covering, playing the.
See if he can entice 4, but it will bring him another cup.
It's good batting in this over. Decided to bowl around the wicket.
Hugely impressive this from, or it's when you score them.
Yes.
Got Jamie Overton from the crease. Look.
It looked as if there's a partner one that sneaks in between Overton, who has to depart, who just.
Down for 136 over. Surely England association. So good.
Again in the field.
Because the calling,
And too many of them.
when there's a yeah, and you see Archer's expression. He gets on the mark inside.
Hey, never fear. We got him on his way. I think he got 50. Archer with this England side.
Sometimes I hear Chakravarti spell.
Oi, और.
Oh, that bowled really well. 4 overs, none.
At the stumps, there's another good example of it.
Completely agree with you. That's the disappointing bit.
It's a loopy bouncer. It's not easy when you're 8.
When we played here, we also struck a real glimmer of hope the way he played.
And playing.
Talking earlier, wasn't it, about how England will be disappointed.
Not on these surfaces. They play so much of franchise cricket. I know.
The difficult overs, try and take wickets up. Bowler. Take what number 8 gets. Oh. So fielder there, but it's not that over. 2 to play. 173.
Reaction a little bit down to their approach. I mean, they could.
By Virender Sharma points to his what?
Runs might be crucial.
Just letting the team know that you're going. So we are all on the same side when it comes to this.
Fine.
He launched into that shot. He thought he'd go first.
Looks like it's a good decision.
The timing on that was very good.
Real.
And at long on. And so there's not much to go by. So you look at the last.
The red soil tends to do a bit.
And 4 past. Adil Rashid and Hardik Pandya's 2 over.
Bowling it into the surface there. He's got cover. And his pace variations have been for a long time. So's he. He's going to have a big.
Says my name's. Oh, the years he's had is deep track. Subtle dab between 2 fielders.
Fabulously well.
Get him up there. He'll be so. Settle.
The first over that he bowled, he started off with this is a good batting surface. You need to wait
With the bowling attack they've got, you're not asking
the rolling. Might get.
And so England finish 100.
They have a chance. They have a chance. Bryden Cass.
Bit is they've seen the English bowling cute now.
166, a little under par.
India better idea of the wicket too, having bowled on it.
really looking very good.
What I'm very intrigued about is to see how England.
Not deliveries and the variations, because that's going to come.
Abhishek Sharma's strike rate over with Surya Kumar Yadav and Gautam Gupta.
That's a length. He'll dig the ball in.
We were having a room outside off stump as well, but a short delivery.
Good pace. That shot and you think, what was he doing? He was just 4.
And that's a length. That's what he's done. Even the previous delivery, it's nice.
A beautiful hands area. And
Charging this too is cricket and it's thrilling.
Light by bowlers, 46 kilometers per hour. What he's also doing, Abhishek Sharma, is so the ball.
There's a ball left in this over from Archer. Fielder was 13.
Well, the third man's been removed, just the box cover. And you're.
I'm sure Sanju is also aware, expecting that length.
Different approaches, different cultures. It's a good place to be.
A mixture of classical, orthodox.
Thing in my view is, was it high enough?
Screen, you're on screen.
Right, Tilak Verma, strike rate 100.
Other reason why he wants to bowl over the.
2 overs gone, 17 for 1. And even the most elegant and
The quick bowlers use the pace.
don't fight the pace. You
A little bit higher as well.
come to pace on 19 for 2.
In that scene, this is what smartest of shots. So he's gone
From Jofra Archer. They just keep a little bit of width and the length was in his favour.
Watch the ball, good strong pace.
Behind, like about 15 meters away to his right.
again, room outside the. That's not how he doesn't get it right. It can be.
For some, there's a quicker ball. The other. Actually, Sunny, where there's Deep Das Gupta in the commentary at home.
Left to bat at 3.
But this is a test, as we saw. There's room for that. And playing in the leagues around the world. And the reason is
Cricket, you see most of the batters tend.
one behind. So Surya Kumar, rare ball that's drifted into the bat.
Speed, good pace.
That ball. Yeah.
To the offside. He's given it the kitchen sink there.
Knows that might have just clicked. And so even one of Archer's best.
And easily the shot of the match.
But no, still have him. But having stayed.
It's a good shot, but it's 150 k's.
Extraordinary. And that is the. It is going a little quicker off the.
Both these bowlers.
Form if you're picking it that well out of the hat.
The attack. And grip in the circle.
Using the bait. And the plays.
It's difficult to bowl without a fine leg.
Bowled out striking. And
The
the
difference with the bat in hand, Bryden in T20 cricket, just beaten. England's still in it just.
So Dhruv Jurel. 6 India, 59 for 3. Feel if they can pick up another wicket.
Down.
Washington Sundar, Akshar Patel. Just a variation in pace. He's got the tools. He's got the... I catch! 7 gone, 63 for 3.
So far for Bryden Cuss, that's where they want to bowl. They want to bowl into the skidder,
And that one skid on to Zurel. What a stylish.
I'll follow you right.
I think it's got enough to get to the boundary. And then you see 4 against his name.
Kind of starting to grip. A lot more help.
Any scorecard, England T20.
I would go as far as to say, actually, from that success, vital wickets regularly.
Very interesting approach, both from India and England. And looking to play it over the keeper.
Message from Josh Butler. Get something out of this pass. Over to now with good stis to go. Hardik Pandya pick up a couple of wickets and make.
Come back for 2.
Especially if
The skirting, why is it touched it? The signal 4. But I don't think he would have imagined.
give that India won't mind at.
England 91 for 5. The Dream 11 top 5 fantasy. Asking rate under 9 and over. Balls.
Such a big grade of cricket. But yeah, where you have then it can cost you.
Done it to reach.
Yeah, takes that front foot, does well to get enough bat on.
Bit of room playing.
Is this partnership now? Hold him! I've got it better.
Dash it. You can see that. And then missed it completely.
Still. Might have.
Got shot well. He was bowling what line he was bowling.
I won't be surprised. Right down, that's totally uncalled for after the bounce. Gamble has paid off.
Off the field down at for 7. Akshar Patel.
It's disappeared off a top edge.
About 139. 5 plus in the first spell.
That is flat.
Again clever. Making room.
Key this time. Archer followed him.
And don't know what Arsh is with him. All he's got to do.
It was up. Runs.